Such Ganpati Bappa Moria. I think so. He has shown justice. He has given justice to Sushant Singh.
Seriously, that's like. Hey guys, so I feel really sad but yet happy that abhi just 2 घंटे पहले, not even 2 hours actually, 1 hour ago, justice has been served to Sushant Singh Rajput, and you know, you just get different feeling when you मतलब come to know कि कौन था इसके पीछे. So it was already मतलब सब लोगों को पता चल गया था that Riya and that Sandeep, that person guy is behind this stuff. And I personally think मुझे इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है अभी, like these people should be hanged and should be tortured. So as Ganesh Chaturthi is tomorrow is the 22nd of August, और हम लोग की तैयारी ना आज चल रही, देखो. Anyways, we never celebrate it or bring Ganpati at our home, but इस साल थोड़ा मज़े के लिए करें, नॉट फॉर मज़े के लिए, बिकॉज यू नो वी आर इन लॉकडाउन एंड वी कैन एटलीस्ट डेकोरेट आवर हाउस विद इट. आई एम गोइंग टू गेट माई मॉम एंड आई वांट हर टू स्पीक समथिंग ऑन बिहाफ व्हाट हैज हैपेंड, बिकॉज मम्मी.
So hi guys, I'm really relieved today to know about Sushant Singh Rajput. He was one of my favorite actors and I have never missed any of his movies. The day when I came to know about his suicide, I was depressed, really. And today when I come to know that who is behind all this conspiracy, and I thank Ganpati Bappa Moria. I think so it's all because of Ganpati Bappa Moria that the criminals who were behind this has come forward, and CBI is doing a very good job. Really, these people should be tortured, really.
एक्चुअली हैंग करके कुछ मतलब ही नहीं होगा ना,
मतलब नहीं.
सीधा दे जस्ट गोना डाई. तो आई थिंक सो इट्स लाइक दे शुड बी टॉर्चर्ड.
Really, always believed in Ganpati Bappa and such Ganpati Bappa Moria. I think so. He has shown justice. He has given justice to Sushant Singh.
Seriously, that's like right time पे, you know. So news पे भी वही चल रहा है, as you can see, because I'm waiting for Arnab Goswami का जो you know show आता है, because I really adore that person. I mean, so straightforward. And मैंने संदीप का interview देखा था with Arnab, like, and he was acting so confident in it, and I just can't imagine he did all this. I mean, who is he and why is he controlling the Mumbai police? So dumb. I feel, you know, mummy, I felt like shame, you know, being in Mumbai and Mumbai
Police.
I know Mumbai police can do all like such things.
It's normal for them. It's not the first time. Okay.
I mean, how can a person have such a cruel mind? सीधा साधा आदमी था, just working, like it was his job, and just because he raised fame.
I also don't know exactly who this Sandeep was. Maybe Sushant का friend हो सकता है. Let me tell you one
No,
thing.
when I saw his interview, उधर लिखा था he's a filmmaker and a close friend of him, and
So
what
close
was
friend of him.
झूठ stuff
हाँ, okay.
he told.
अगर वो दोस्त था ना, तो मैं let me tell you one thing. एक दोस्त कभी भी दूसरे दोस्त को सक्सेस पाते हुए नहीं देख सकता. Okay?
That's so true. I think so. जो होना था हो गया. For good, it's happened. अभी थोड़ा गणपति डेकोरेशन पर फोकस करते हैं. I'm very happy. And mom, for how many days are we going to keep with this? September तक?
Yeah, till 1st September.
Okay.
We are not going to do Visarjan.
हाँ,
as we
मतलब-
are not getting Ganpati from outside. We are just, because I believe in Ganpati Bappa, so I also feel that there should be some small celebration. We should keep a small. I don't find anything wrong doing in there.
I love गणेश चतुर्थी. सो हम लोग के पास छोटे छोटे लाइक आइडल्स थे, उसका ही थोड़ा हम सेटअप करेंगे, जितना भी जो भी डेकोरेशन है. सो इट विल लाइक हैव सम गुड वाइब्स. आई हैव अ क्रेजी ब्रदर हु इज डांसिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. हैज दिस पिक्चर डांस. वी आर गॉन मैड बिहाइंड Blackpink.
So let's keep the theme Blackpink.
Blackpink और गणेश चतुर्थी. पूजा के टाइम Blackpink गाने चलाओ. So today I don't know like what happened to me, like the entire afternoon I was so depressed with myself. For what? Like I had no idea what I'm gonna do in the future, and I'm seeing those videos like young 9th standard, 10th standard people are like giving GMAT and all those stuff. They're planning to go to TGS. Like TGS is a traveling school, like you travel like 4 countries in a year. I'm sitting here watching YouTube, and then after that, in the next 15 minutes, I don't know what just made me so motivated, and I started doing makeup, and I'm like, you know, next Monday is your exam, you give that first and then you think about your future.
What? LA. Zoom data.
What happened? Come here behind, come here.
I'll come and do this.
Yeah, you come. My brother is so...
She said, I am sorry, Babu. Now the first person account, that's the star witness.
A few minutes later, Sandeep Singh was caught on camera near
So like what we did first, we put this pink dupatta and we tied it down. And now we're gonna put a blue one. Actually looks good, like the color combination. मतलब like border
background.
हाँ.
It's not only this much.
हाँ, that will look good. So I was planning like इसके आजू बाजू we'll also put some LED lights so that it looks आकर्षित. मम्मी, should we put LED lights? देखते ज़्यादा ओवर नहीं दिखना चाहिए, but if it looks good, then it looks good.
What? I was just thinking of some creative ideas. Once I start doing something now, my mind starts working at that time only. What creative I can add to my decoration.
So we were actually planning paper flowers, but at the moment we don't have paper. So हम लोग के पास बहुत सारा artificial flowers है, so we can put that. रस्सी तुम कहाँ पे लगाओगी?
ये टेबल पे लगाएंगी. Mama's not a bite.
No one asked you.
And no one asked you to tell that.
Keep quiet.
You too. Mama, Didi, baby, na ladi kar. I will tell Didi not to do ladi with you. Only do pity. No. सुशांत सिंह राजपूत अभी इतना कंट्रोवर्सी जो हो रहा है उसकी सुसाइड को लेके, ये ज़रूर इस सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की ना एक बायोपिक ज़रूर बनने वाली है. उसकी मूवी बनेगी ज़रूर. पैसा कमाने के लिए होगा और कुछ नहीं. सब जगह पैसा.
इसके बाद जो हुआ, I feel like our industry was like so corrupted. और इसके
it is corrupted from beginning only.
महेश भट्ट, आलिया भट्ट और कौन, करण जौहर, Godfather. Rest in peace for Sadak 2. Obviously is now the most disliked video on YouTube. मैंने सुना था even Sanjay Dutt का that lung cancer thing, that was just for views. So corrupt, right? So literally we were just sitting and watching the TV, and he comes and shows me the... I just randomly opened Insta and this. So what happened? He comes to me and shows me the new song का name of Blackpink. We thought कि ice cream रहेगा, you know, as you have seen Blackpink का post, and it's a popsicle, and I thought ये ice cream है, इसका नाम ice cream ही रहेगा, but you know it's like kind of funny name. And he comes to me, look, it's ice cream, and we were right, okay. तो थोड़ी खुशी तो होती है ना.
28th.
How many days are left?
Well, let me see.
7 days are left. And by the way, today new song of BTS came out. That was Dynamite, and I was at this premiere, at their premiere, literally 45 seconds before. So I'm very lucky that I got to see their premiere. And yeah,
When I was small, I always used to do like this. Like, see, this is the biggest one. So this is Papa. This one is Mama. Then this one is Zulu, and this tiny one is me.
And what about like this?
This Nimi. Just found out that there is one more Ganpati up there, and we are even going to keep this Ekomkar sign. I think it's called.
Yeah. एकदम छोटू सा.
This is smaller than the one I named.
Yeah, good na. We can have all sizes of Ganpatis.
Okay, I've got even better names. Nimi Gurleen can also be added. Now, like how I think which looks good. This is how I set up. So first, Papa goes here.
What is Papa?
That's the name. The Mama goes here. Zulu.
Who is baby?
Nimi. No, this is Gurleen. Nimi.
Okay, the
and
smallest.
me.
No, actually, the smallest is the golden one.
No.
Oh, that golden one is Patlu.
Yeah, it's Patlu, but it's a bit bigger in height. So that
Okay.
gets Nimi.
Okay. And what about the Ekomkar?
Yeah, this Ekomkar will go here, and this thing in which you put that what you call fuljhari type.
Yeah. That's for agarbatti.
Yeah, agarbatti will go in this, and this is just for decoration. And what will you keep in this empty space?
वो उसमें रखेंगे चावल और वो क्या कहते हैं लाल लाल. तो अमर बड़े होके बनेगा इंटीरियर डिजाइनर.
Ryan Little.
2,000 years later.
After 2000 years, it's right now 11:30 और अभी जाके ये पूरा complete हुआ है. And I think so I'm going to show you right now because कल का you know like we don't do that puja and stuff, but so I'm just going to show you it right now because it looks good. I mean like okay, so have a look. So this is it. Here is like the main Ganpati idols we have. I have kept a small diya, that rice and this thing. Then this is for agarbatti. We have also kept an Ekomkar because that's like a main religion. I decorate some flowers, like artificial flowers we had, and the dupattas look like awesome. And these were some decorations that I found which are like totally perfect, blue color. Last but not the least, we had this blue shiny dupatta at the background, and I've put some light. It's not perfect, but just look, it looks okay. Okay, we are not professionals or something. So yeah, that was it. And देखते हैं कितने दिन के लिए we'll keep. I don't know. My dad was saying just keep it for like 1 or 2 days. But I'll still see if my mood is there to keep it for much longer. Then I'll keep it. Okay. So this video is gonna come on 22nd August. Obviously यही दिन पे गणेश चतुर्थी है. So happy गणेश चतुर्थी and stay safe. Stay at home. इतना बाहर नहीं निकलो because मेरे फैमिली में I should not say but many people have got affected. Yeah, if you like the video then please like subscribe भी कर देना यार, मेरे को भी ऊपर बढ़ाओ please. Until then just yeah, bye.